This is a symposium that's sponsored by Guardian Life Insurance that focuses on entrepreneurs and entrepreneurship and small business owners, and giving them helpful tidbits, direction, guidance, and making their business dreams come true.
It's already helped me. I've taken some really informative notes, and the classes that I've taken so far have talked about things like really finding your niche and using, for example, my assets as a woman in business and what qualities and strengths I can use.
There are so many great entrepreneurs here, and just absorbing all their knowledge. And I was in one of these financing workshops, and I learned a lot about budgeting and also how to manage your money and keep your business successful.
There's a lot of interactivity between those seeking the information and those providing it.
I would really use a lot of these tips and the knowledge from all these entrepreneurs, everyone's spirit and everything. It really pushes me to want to keep doing what I want to do.
Montgomery County Councilmember Will Jawando spoke to the attendees to share some of his ideas and experiences about business ownership and more.
It's an honor to be here at Montgomery College, which is, in my opinion, the best community college in the country. I'm really concerned about wealth and income inequality. And I think it has a detrimental effect on people who want to be innovative and want to start a small business and help grow our economy. And so I think we need to look here locally, how do we serve as an example and a model for making sure that income inequality and wealth inequality is something that we want to reduce.